Uh, this is an essay from Civil Services Main Examination 2020. The topic of the essay is a statement. Your perception of me is a reflection of you. My reaction to you is an awareness of me. इस ऐसे की कंप्लीट रीडिंग से पहले मैं बता देता हूँ कि इस ऐसे में मेनली मैंने लिखा क्या है। इसके फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ में मैंने इस टॉपिक स्टेटमेंट का मीनिंग एक्सप्लेन किया है कि हमारा दूसरों के प्रति परसेप्शन और रिएक्शन दोनों हमारी वैल्यूज़, हमारे करेक्टर, हमारी आइडियोलॉजी और माइंडसेट पे डिपेंड करता है। नेक्स्ट पैरा में एग्जांपल दिया है कि कैसे एक फॉरेस्ट लवर और बिजनेसमैन का फॉरेस्ट को देखने का नज़रिया, फॉरेस्ट के प्रति परसेप्शन डिफरेंट हो सकता है। नेक्स्ट पैरा में मैंने गुरु नानक और बुद्धा की मैनकाइंड के प्रति उदार परसेप्शन के बारे में बताया है। नेक्स्ट पैरा बुद्धा की रिएक्शन के बारे में है। ये स्टोरी है जब एक पर्सन बुद्धा के लिए अब्यूसिव वर्ड यूज़ करता है तो बुद्धा उसमें कैसे रिएक्ट करते हैं। नाउ लेट्स रीड द एसे। There is a saying, your perception of me is a reflection of you. My reaction to you is an awareness of me. It simply means that how do we perceive others and react toward others depends upon our values, our character, our ideology, and our mindset. For a nature lover, a forest is a gift of nature that should be conserved. But for a business minded person, a forest is a source of timber and other things. By selling those, he can earn money. The different perception is due to different values and mindset of two persons. The broad minded, great divine personalities like Guru Nanak and Buddha had sympathy and love even for their critics. They never discriminated anyone on the basis of caste, wealth, and religion. For them, all the human beings were equal. Their perception about the world was a reflection of their highest human values. There is a story of Buddha's reaction when somebody started abusing him. Once, Mahatma Buddha was sitting under a tree. A Brahmin came to him and started abusing him. The Brahmin thought that Lord Buddha will get angry and reciprocate in the same manner. But Mahatma Buddha remained calm. The Brahman continued to abuse him. At last, he was tired. He asked Lord Buddha, I have been continuously abusing you, but you are not angry at me. Lord Buddha said, I have not accepted a single abuse from you. The Brahmin said, I used all the abusive words for you. Buddha said, suppose you give me coins and I do not accept them, then with whom will those coins remain? The Brahman felt ashamed of his behavior and begged for Buddha's forgiveness. In this story, we see the reaction of Buddha was a reflection of his wisdom and awareness about life. Have you ever noticed that what dogs do when they look into a mirror? They bark because they believe that what they see in the mirror is another dog. Likewise, we have a similar reaction whenever we attempt to see our reflection in other people. A good person sees good aspects of other person and a bad person sees only negative aspects of other person. On internet and social media, we see hateful and humiliating comments. Actually, very few of those who write those words realize that they are essentially reflecting their own mindset and belief system. If someone hates a particular race, it is because they feel insecure from that race. Maybe they dislike the values and culture of that race. By criticizing that race, they are actually reflecting their own insecurity or hatred from the values and culture of that race. Whenever you have strong emotions about a person, ask yourself two questions. What is it about the person that I strongly like or dislike? Do I have any of those traits similar to that person in me? You will realize that most of times your perception of others and your reaction to others is a reflection of your awareness, your values, your beliefs, and your mindset. Thank you.